Goa, a land of sea, fishes, fun, and frolic. Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode, I will be taking you through a tour of the Lalit Golf and Spa Resort, Goa. In this episode, you will get a glimpse of the property and its sprawling gardens. And look who is greeting us at the entrance, the poinsettia plant signaling the changing seasons. And here we have the agave plant interspersed with some terracotta features. The Lalit Golf and Spa Resort, Goa is an all-suite resort with about a land area of 85 acres situated along the pristine coastlines of Goa. This resort is primarily a golf retreat with a breathtaking view of the Arabian Sea. As we enter the premises of the Lalit, we are spellbound by the stunning beauty of the pond with a signature fountain and natural stones embellishing its surroundings. The only thing I think is missing is some lilies adorning this lovely water body. And this is the frontal facade of the Lalit with the rainbow flag fluttering and espousing the values of liberty, inclusion, and diversity. With a beautiful welcome, we set foot into the corridors of the property. The exquisite marble fountain with flowers adorning the crystal clear water leaves us spellbound. The anthuriums and the Song of India create a lasting impression. The high ceiling fans and long chandeliers give a very regal appearance that exemplifies luxury. Here I must give a special mention to these flower arrangements with lilies, the fragrance of which was enough to permeate the air with a sense of freshness. And these are some of the mosaic paintings or the tile paintings which are very famous in Goa. definitely not exaggerating when I say that this is one of the best hotels I have stayed in. With its spacious rooms and stylistic bathroom, with a touch of old charm antiquity, this indeed is an inviting space. And the bed is so soft that you would feel like you are sleeping amidst the clouds. Looking at the gardens of the Lalit, I can say that they are inspired by Mughal, French, and English landscape designs. The focus on the water fountains is reminiscent of the Mughal era. The Portuguese-inspired buildings give a beautiful backdrop to these lovely gardens. India and its fascination with pottery and terracotta is reflected well in this exotic garden. This garden masterpiece with the ponytail palm at its pinnacle surrounded by some portulaca clearly mimics a fountain. This is called creativity at its best. As the day was coming to an end, the beach, the sand, and the sun beckoned us to watch the glowing star fade away with a promise to usher in a new beginning. And with this, we have come to the end of another episode of USB's Garden/Hotel Review. I really hope that you have enjoyed the show and I was able to transcend you to the sandy shores of Goa. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you have any valuable suggestions or feedback, then do write in to me by writing in the comment section. Until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.